President Emerson Mnangagwa is giving mine concessions to his friends, the Chinese, to mine in some of our very important cultural, important mountains, where we have got our chiefs' graves, where we have been doing our traditional ceremonies. He is already disturbing the ecosystem in our national parks, which we have reserved for the next generations to be able to see the importance of our wildlife. But Mnangagwa is not concerned about it. He is concerned about making the Chinese happy. So they are mining there. Some of our rivers they are being polluted and fish is dying. So what is important for the people of Zimbabwe is to understand that when we talk of our cultural values, it starts with our mountains, it starts with our rivers, it starts with our national parks. These are important sites which we must preserve for the next generations. If we destroy these, it means the next generations will travel to various countries to see elephants and other wildlife, which is not good. We call upon those in ZANU-PF, we call upon everybody to send a word to Mnangagwa to stop this destruction of our culture.